5 years ago, picking a reliable Japanese SUV was almost automatic. You didn't need to research, you just went with the usual names and called it a day. But today, that strategy could cost you, because the rankings have shifted in a way most people haven't caught up to. Brands that once dominated are slipping, while others are quietly climbing the charts with better long-term reliability, fewer repairs, and lower ownership costs. And here's the surprising part. One of the most criticized Japanese brands online is now outperforming expectations and landing near the top. So if you're planning to buy an SUV right now, you can't rely on outdated opinions. In this video, we're breaking down what's really happening, which brands are rising, which are falling, and which SUVs are actually worth your money today. Number 5. Subaru Crosstrek. This compact SUV consistently punches above its weight when it comes to reliability, often outperforming vehicles that cost significantly more. For 2026, J.D. Power ranked it among the most dependable small SUVs, while RepairPal places it at the very top of the compact class. What really stands out is consistency. The 2025 and 2026 models have recorded 0 recalls, something you almost never see in this segment. Ownership costs are also reasonable, with annual maintenance averaging around $492, which is below the class average. Every trim comes standard with all-wheel drive, giving it an edge in all-weather capability. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter Boxer engine has a solid track record and keeps things relatively simple mechanically. Long-term durability is another strong point. Some owners report their Crosstrek nearing 300,000 miles with no major issues. That said, there is one common concern. Subaru windshields tend to be more prone to cracking, even from minor debris. It's worth factoring in potential replacement costs, especially if you're buying used, or adding glass coverage if you're going new. Also, be cautious with the 2019 model year. It had noticeably lower reliability scores and more reported issues. Models from 2020 onward, however, have been consistently strong. Number 4. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. If there's one SUV on this list that stands above the rest, this is it. Across the board, major sources like Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, RepairPal, and IC Cars consistently rank it at or near the top for reliability in the compact SUV class. The secret is the hybrid system. Toyota uses an eCVT, but it's not the typical belt-driven setup you'll find in some competitors. Instead, it's a planetary gear system. Fewer wear components, no belts to slip, just gears running smoothly in oil. That simplicity is a big reason these systems last so long. In fact, high-mileage fleet vehicles have pushed similar setups well beyond 400,000 miles on original parts. Ownership costs are also lower than average, with yearly maintenance around $429 compared to roughly $521 for most compact SUVs. The hybrid battery is backed by a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty, and many exceed that lifespan without issues. For model years, 2021 stands out for having the fewest complaints, while 2023 to 2025 models offer the most refinement. The downsides? Mostly tech-related. Owners report occasional Bluetooth drops, Android Auto disconnects, and screen freezes. Also, some 2023 models have reported a cable corrosion issue that can be expensive to fix outside warranty. Still, overall reliability is hard to beat. Number 3. The Lexus NX350H. Think of this as a more refined version of Toyota's proven hybrid formula, and that's a good thing. It shares the same 2.5-liter hybrid system and reliability foundation, but adds premium materials, quieter cabin insulation, and a more upscale overall feel. Fuel efficiency is another win, delivering around 39 miles per gallon, and it's been recognized as a top pick in the luxury compact SUV segment by major rating organizations. Now here's the key detail. This model lineup offers multiple powertrains, and they're not equal. If reliability is your priority, the hybrid 350H is the clear choice. The plug-in hybrid version only delivers average reliability, and industry-wide, plug-ins tend to have more reported issues. The turbo-only NX350 is decent, but raises more long-term durability questions as mileage climbs. For the best experience, focus on 2024 models and newer to avoid early production issues. Lexus itself continues to dominate dependability rankings, leading the premium segment for several years straight and significantly outperforming the industry average in reported problems. Bottom line, if you want luxury without sacrificing proven reliability, this is one of the safest bets you can make. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. The older 4Runner built its reputation on a bulletproof 4.0-liter V6, and engine mechanics have seen push well past 300,000, even 400,000 miles. But that era is over. The all-new 6th generation swaps it for a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 278 horsepower, while the hybrid version jumps to 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. And surprisingly, the early data looks incredibly strong. The redesigned 2025 model launched with a 95/100 reliability score from Consumer Reports, almost unheard of for a first-year redesign. J.D. Power also ranked it at the top of its segment right away. Now, there's understandable concern about turbo engines, but this isn't the same problematic twin-turbo V6 Toyota used elsewhere. This 2.4-liter turbo has already been used in high-volume models since 2022 without major failure trends. Realistically, it should comfortably reach 200,000 plus miles, but expecting the old V6's 400,000-mile longevity might be a stretch. That's the trade-off. One advantage? It's built in Tahara, Japan, a plant known for exceptional quality control. If you can wait, later model years will likely improve even more, but even now, it's already proving to be one of the most reliable new SUVs available. Number 1. Honda Passport. This one is a surprise. The 2026 Passport earned a 97 out of 100 in Consumer Reports reliability, testing the highest score ever recorded for a midsize SUV. Not just this year, but all time. Under the hood, Honda kept things simple and proven. It uses a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 producing 285 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. While other brands are moving towards smaller turbo engines and complex hybrid systems, Honda stuck with a powertrain that's been refined for over 2 decades. That matters. This V6 has been tested across millions of vehicles, delivering the kind of long-term durability newer designs simply can't match yet. The 2026 model is fully redesigned, featuring a stronger platform and improved AWD capability. The Trail Sport trim, in particular, adds real off-road credibility. Of course, any first-year redesign carries some risk, but Honda's track record with this engine helps reduce that concern significantly. Bottom line, in 2026, Toyota and Honda hybrids continue to lead in reliability overall, while plug-in hybrids lag behind. And although first-year models are usually risky, the Passport and even the latest 4Runner are rare exceptions that are already proving themselves early.